Hey guys, let's do something crazy. We're gonna do what is called dry canning. So, I know we're gonna upset a ton of people out there, but this is my kitchen, so it's my rules, and this is the way I like my sausage cooked. When we find sausage on sale, we buy a ton of it and we preserve it through canning. So we're getting low on the shelves. So let's do this. Okay, I'm gonna take you a little step by step. So we browned our sausage. That's the way that we like it. We're gonna go ahead and put it into half pints or pints, whatever your preference is. Bring it up to the first line. You're gonna go ahead and wipe those down with a little bit of vinegar. Get any residue on that off. Put on a fresh lid and ring. Don't over tighten them. I always do the 3-part adjust. Don't do it too tight, otherwise you're gonna end up buckling and you'll lose that jar to a fail. Get your canner out. This is a pressure canner by Presto. And you're going to go ahead and bring the water line up to that first notch. Add a little drop of vinegar. That helps if you have bad water. Oh, a quick snippet of all of the shelling peas and seeds that we're drying and saving seeds. So we're going to go ahead and get our canner out on our stove. This is our outside kitchen stove. We're going to go ahead and let that start to vent. Once it vents, you're going to count down to 10 and then go ahead and put your jiggler on and bring that pressure right up to 10 pounds and set your timer for the appropriate amount of time for the food that you're cooking. The time on our half pints are going to be 75 minutes because half pints and pints are 75 minutes when we're doing meat. So we'll go ahead and let that count down. We'll let it cool down before we open it. Then we'll bring all our jars out, let them sit overnight. Then we'll go ahead and check to make sure that they've all sealed. Wash them up and put them on our shelf. If you have any comments, just leave below and I will answer them for you.
Thumbs up, yes, every one of them sealed. So now we're gonna take the rings off and give them a good wash. But look at that, guys. There's my sausage. Because I like sausage on my pizzas. All right, give it a try.